this college, you are alumni of NICO. More than that, you are our colleagues in media field. This is for the future you. There will be a point when you will doubt yourself, when you will feel low, you will be scared of the future. At that time, this video, I want you to go back and watch, okay? I want you to remember that you have formally learned and practiced photography. You know audio production, video production, filmmaking, animation, UI, UX design. You have built websites. You know how to design newspaper, magazine. You have studied and practiced branding, public relations, live news productions. I will list out the softwares that you have practiced. Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Animate, Character Animation, Premiere Pro, Dreamweaver, Lightroom, DaVinci Resolve, Blender, and Canva. I will list out the equipments that you have access to and you have practiced. Blackmagic Cine Camera with cinema lens, Canon mirrorless system, Allen and Heath 32-channel audio mixer, live video mixer, teleprompter, gimbal, DJI drone, Mac systems, Sony 4K camcorders, Godox mics and light system. I want you to remember you organized and participated in 3 to 4 Freshers Day, 3 to 4 Onam celebration, 3 to 4 alumni program, 3 to 4 Beacons, which is the biggest media fest with 20 plus colleges plus 300 plus participants, and 3 to 4 chocolate festival with 6,000 football, 2 to 3 under 25 event, which is one of the largest youth festival in India. I want you to remember visit to IFFI, Goa, and Bangalore study tour, and maybe Manipal tour. I want you to remember workshops by Vandana Ramakrishna from Bollywood, workshop by Nitin Shetty, who is the editor of Soup from So, there was a theatre makeup workshop, countless reels and social media creatives that we created together. Remember all of this, and remember, you're from NICO. And whether you believe it or not, you are industry ready. Even if you have a doubt, remember, we at NICO family believe that you are ready. All the best.